friends, in today's video, we would be discussing about the top 11 tips to memorize faster and easily for exams. Friends, do you find yourself forgetting important information just before an exam? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we are going to share the top 11 quick study tips, tricks and hacks to help you memorize faster, easily and effectively. Friends, the first tip is use flashcards. These are a great tool for memorizing definitions, formulas or other pieces of information. The second tip is use visual aids. Diagrams, charts or images can help you to remember the information better than text alone. Friends, the next step is teach someone else. Teaching the study material to someone else can help you to solidify your own understanding and remember the information better. Friends, the fourth tip is make connections. Try to relate the new information to the things which you already know. This will help you to remember it better. Friends, the fifth tip is break down the study material into smaller chunks. Instead of trying to memorize everything at once, divide the information into manageable sections. The sixth tip is practice active recall. Instead of just reading or rereading your notes, actively test yourself on the study material to help you to embed it in your memory. Friends, the next step is use spaced repetition. This technique involves revisiting the study material at increasingly longer intervals in order to help you to reinforce it in your memory. Friends, the eighth tip is try meditation. Meditation can help to reduce stress and improve focus, thus making it easier to memorize new information. Friends, the ninth tip is take regular breaks and move around. Take a break every 30 to 45 minutes and go for a short walk or do some other light physical activity. This will help you to refresh your mind, which can further help to improve memory and concentration. Friends, the 10th tip is regularly revise the study material or your notes. Regular revision is a powerful way to embed the information in your long-term memory. And friends, the 11th tip is make studying fun. Try to find a way to make your studying enjoyable. You will be more likely to stick with it and remember the study information better. Friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this small video on the top 11 tips to memorize faster and easily for your exams. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. And do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.